Hi friends, welcome to A to Z Learning channel. Today in the video, we will help you understand the financial performance of top 4 technology companies in India. These are HCL Technology, Infosys, Wipro and TCS. These companies have over the years given amazing returns to its shareholders and a job to someone in our family at some point in time. This video will have an easy to follow comparison of these 4 companies across key financial performance parameters. We are also going to spend some time towards the end of the video to talk about their valuation so that you get to understand whether these companies are still good investment or have now become expensive. If you're looking to invest in these IT companies or you have already invested in these, then you cannot miss the video. This is the most important video for you to watch. Please stay with us till the end so that you don't miss anything important and understand the whole concept. Without any further delay, we will commence our video. First of all, let's understand the color coding that we have used in this presentation. We have used 4 colors: green, that is for number 1 company; blue is for number 2 company; orange is for number 3; and silver is for the 4th number company. We have applied these color codings on 6 performance matrices, which are: number 1, market capitalization; number 2, revenue; number 3, revenue growth; number 4, net profits; 5, net profits growth; number 6, operating margins. We have also applied the same color coding on 4 matrices for valuation comparison, and these are earning per share, return on equity, PB ratio, which is price over book value, and number 4, PE ratio, price over earnings per share. Now let's see the comparison. This should be on your screen now. Let me talk you through the first matrix, which is market capitalization. For this matrix, TCS box is green color coded. Therefore, TCS is number 1 company here. Infosys is second number as their box is blue color. HCL is the third as their box is orange color, and Wipro in silver, which is the last number as their box. I hope this makes sense and you can follow easily rest of the table on your screen. TCS is clearly the largest IT company in terms of market cap, revenue and profits. This is also the number 1 company in our comparison on 4 out of 6 matrices. Wipro, on the other hand, is the smallest in these 4 companies. This is also number 4 in 4 out of 6 matrices. Infosys is the most consistent company. It is neither number 1 nor last on any of the matrices. It has always been either number 2 or 3 on all matrices. Okay? If you want to refer, you can always go back on the color coding. I know it can be confusing sometimes, but we've tried to keep it as simple as possible. If we compare these 4 companies in terms of their current market capitalization, and let's say Wipro is the base company, then HCL will be 1.1 times of Wipro. Infosys will be 2.3 times of Wipro, and TCS, being the largest, will be 4.8 times of Wipro. In terms of revenue and profit growth, HCL is the number 1 as it has delivered highest revenue and profit growth among these top IT companies. I hope you can follow this and are finding our explanation simple to understand. If you have any comments, concern or suggestions on this, then please do let us know through your comments. Now let's understand the valuation of these companies. This has come on your screen now. In terms of EPS and return on equity matrices, TCS is again the number one company. Here, it is important for you to appreciate that these are all good companies which have delivered good return to its shareholders. Just for an example, it is like the Olympic race. Every athlete who participates has a great potential and has worked really hard to reach Olympics and has done well for their respective countries. But there is going to be only one Olympic winner. That doesn't take away the hard work and appreciation for all the participants. This video is helping you understand the outlook for the top successful technology companies in India. So the company which is on the fourth number is not at all a bad company. It just happens to be last among the best companies. So best of the best are there, but only one can be the winner. That doesn't mean others are losers. The share price of all IT companies have seen a good rally in the recent past. So it is important to understand if these stocks are still value for money or not. Let's look at the P ratio of top 4 IT companies. Ignore the numbers on the table that is on your screen and simply focus on the color coding. You will see HCL is green coded, which essentially means that HCL is currently the best value for money stock amongst these 4 IT companies. TCS, on the other hand, is silver coded. Therefore, it is the most expensive stock currently. We believe in India's IT industry. Though this has rallied in the recent past, it still has the potential to provide further upside. As a long-term investor, it would be prudent for you to remain invested in this sector and more importantly in these top 4 companies. If your outlook is to have short to medium term gain, then HCL particularly looks a good stock to invest in. Its P ratio is low compared to its peers. Therefore, it has the highest potential to give you more upside compared to its peers in the short time period. I will repeat once again here. We are looking at top 4 companies which have been very successful in delivering good returns to its shareholders. So through this video, we are trying to help you pick the best company among the very successful best companies. You must not forget that each of these companies has the potential to deliver good returns in the future. We hope that you have found the content of this video helpful. Please do let us know via comments if you have any further questions on this. If you like the content of this video, then please press the like button and also share the video with others. If you think the video is missing something important, then let us know via comments again. Also, the more the viewers, the better comments and more research we can do, depending on the need. If you have not yet subscribed our channel, then please do subscribe and become part of our viewers family. We select the topics of our future videos based on suggestions made by our viewers. So please come join us and suggest topics of future videos. Thank you for watching our video.